Hello everyone, I hope you all are well, and in this video I'm gonna break down what's going on market and how you can plan the trades according to this market. So let's get begin. In BTC daily time frame we can see, let me show you. In BTC daily time frame we can see market is in now downtrend. Okay, we can see the trend is bearish. This liquidity sweeps has been already done, and we can see this is a range market. Now in daily time frame we can see the range market, and we can see also the supply levels in here, especially in daily time frame. Let me show you. This whole zone is in supply levels, but I'm gonna choose this candle as a supply levels. We can see this is also a supply level where market is rejecting right now. Let me show you. But we can see this is a demand level, this is a demand zone. This is a demand zone where market is trying to go upside. So what we can do right now, in 1 hour time frame we can see this is break of structure in upside in 1 hour time frame. Okay, so what right now, so we can see this is a demand level, this is a demand zone. So if market comes to this demand zone and do some little bit of retracement in smaller time frame, we can plan for upside trades, and target is gonna be these liquidities, and you can hunt all those liquidities in upside. Okay, this is for BTC right now. Let's see what happens. But if it doesn't happen like this, like if it's like break these zones and do some like, if it break these zones, like market doesn't respect this demand zone and just sweeps, I'm not talking about sweeps, break these zones. Okay, sweeps is the brand. If it breaks and close below these levels, then this is also demand level. But let's see if it's like create like lower lows, then we will plan for short side trade, especially after breaking this demand zone. Even I'm talking about these zones, market can consolidate about these zones, but if it's break these levels, so you break this level after supply things, in we have to find a supply level, valid supply level, then you will plan for short certain, and I'm gonna hunt all those liquidities in downside. But right now market is in, even though market is bearish, market is trying to retrace. Okay, this is gonna be the retrace test if this zone is valid. So this is for BTC right now. You have to wait market come these zones and respect these zones or confirmations, whatever you say. After that you can plan the trades. Now let's see Ethereum, what's going on. It always respect BTC, so you have to wait. I already marked these zones, market already sweeps these zones, and this is the demand levels. Let me show you the demand level where market is trying to go upside. Okay, so you can see the same as BTC. This is liquidity pools in daily time frame. You can see the breakup structure also here. Let me show you. And the market is trying to go higher high, but still in bearish trend. Like, let me show you. This is breakup structure of these zones. We can say these all are liquidities. Valid demand zone gonna be in Ethereum, but these zones. But right now what we can see in 4-hour time frame, just like BTC, it's also break these zones, especially about these zones. So we have to find the this is gonna be the demand zone. If market come this level and respect these zones, go then we have to find the upside opportunity. So this is for Ethereum right now. Now let's see what's happened. This is for Ethereum right now. If just like BTC, if this demand zone doesn't respect, then you have to find a short side trades or after lower low creating. So this is for Ethereum. Let's talk about gold. What's going on gold? In daily time frame, we can see market is in bear run. Like market is bearish, not bear run. Market is bear in a daily time frame. We can see market is trying to go upside in this demand zone. If I zoom, this is the demand zone where market is trying to go upside in 4 hour. Let me remove these things. So in 4 hour, we can see market is still bear run. I mean, market is still bearish, but you can see in 1 hour time frame, in smaller time frame, we can see the breakup structure of upside. So what right now? This is the demand zone. If market respect these zones, you can plan for upside. Okay, this upside, and you can plan, you can target these all levels. Okay, I'm not that much bullish because in daily time frame it's not that much bullish. So you have to find up. If market doesn't come these zones, like market went upside just from this level, then you have to wait these supply levels or these supply levels, whatever. After confirmation, you have to find a short side opportunity. This is for gold. Okay, this is for gold. You have to wait for confirmation these zones in 30 minutes, then you will find the upside opportunity. If it doesn't, then in supply level you have to wait for confirmations. Then this is the demand zone. I'm talking about this demand zone because there is a after impulsive move. This is the last candle of this is the last candle. Okay, whatever. So these zones and these zones because of 4 hour time frame. So let's see what's happening, but you have to wait for confirmations. Okay, and if you want to go upside, then don't forget to book your profit in these supply levels. Okay, this is for gold. Let's talk about US oil. What's going on US oil? In daily time frame, we can see US oil is bullish. In 4 hour time frame, we can see this is the liquidity pools has been swept, and this is the demand zone where market is trying to go upside in 4 hour time frame. And in 1 hour time frame, we can see this is the breakup structure in 1 hour time frame. And in 30 minutes time frame, this is a little bit of consolidating move because this highs are doesn't is not break in 30 minutes level. Still, if I already marked this one, if markets like go upside, then went to these zones and do some confirmation, then go upside and hunt those liquidities in upside. These are all liquidities, or you can book profits in these imbalance zones, whatever you want. So this is for US oil right now. Let's talk about CU. What's going on CU? In daily time frame, we can see this all liquidity has been swept. This is the demand zone where market is trying to go upside, and in 4 hour time frame, you can see this is all like little bit mess, but even though it's mess, 1 hour time frame, we can see the higher highs. Okay, so if market break these structures, you can see the strength of buy side. You can see the strength of buy sides, like the same places. And see, this is like this is 20 Mars to 23 Mars. You can see the trend. It takes 2 to 3 days to come these zones, and went upside just in 1 day. just in one day. Let me show you. It's like 23 minutes. Okay, we can see the strength of upside level. So now what we can do, we have to find a demand zone where we can plan the buy sides. So there is not that much confirmations, but let's see. Wait a minute, I'm not interested in. So these are all liquidities. So if you find any opportunity, like if it is like break these zones and create some like this, then you can plan from upside, because market is still bullish. And see you now. Like Xauusd, what's going on Xauusd? Okay, this is for today. I hope you like it, and if you like it, do subscribe, and tata, bye bye.